Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall your Pluto TV application from your device. Keep watching the video till the end. To uninstall your Pluto TV application from your device, firstly go ahead and launch open your app list. Search for Pluto TV application and long press on it. Three options will pop up on the screen, that is uninstall, edit and app information. Now to delete your application, tap on uninstall option. Confirm on installation of your application by tapping on OK. This is how you can uninstall your Pluto TV application from your device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.